Hello, everyone. Today, we'll introduce you a sensor data acquisition and transmission experiment. The required equipment includes V4.0 Step 7 Micro and SP9 programming software, PLC electrical control experimental box, and etc. The experiment aims to utilize the A, D, and D modules of the PLC controller to collect data and observe the data from youyeetoo. At the same time, the voltage value of the generator output is recorded, which allows for accurate measurement of the human body's voltage value through data acquisition. Let's do it together. Enter the programming software. First, set the CPU model to 224, which should match the device being used. Click on the memory area. Create a new address. Click OK. Then place the corresponding logical components on each network. Add the reset and set components, as well as the corresponding arithmetic components. Once the compilation is successful, connect the relevant devices. Finally, use it to query whether the data transmission and reception were successful. Query its voltage value. Use your hand to touch and test the voltage. Then you can see the voltage of the human body inside. That's all for today. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.